Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer money from UK to Canada, and this is very easy. So there's a bunch of ways, but the way which I'm going to show you today is Wise. So for a Wise account, all you need to do is head over to wise.com and then open a new account, which is very easy. Just follow the steps. After that, you'll get a page like this. So we're going to click on send money, and then since we want to send from UK to Canada, so our will be international, not the same currency, international. And then we're going to select UK. So let's say that we want to send from euro, that is euro, and then to would be Canada. So let's type in CAD, which is Canadian dollar, and then you're going to select the amount of money that you want to send, and then you're going to continue, and then it's going to ask you for the recipient. So you're going to click on add a recipient, and if it's yourself, you can click on yourself, but if it's someone, click on someone else, and you're going to put in their email. If it's the local bank, then you're going to put in their local bank. You can also use their Interac, whichever one it is. And finally, you're going to review all the details and then head over to pay confirmation, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.